Hey there. So, have you had this happen to you? You pick up your phone one morning, unlock it, and just stop. Something's off. The colors are different, the shapes feel weird, and you know you didn't install any updates. Well, today we're going to get to the bottom of that very strange, wait a minute feeling.
It's a really disorienting experience, right? 1 minute, your dialer, your messages, your contacts, they all look exactly how you left them. The next, it's like someone snuck into your room overnight and gave your phone a total makeover without asking.
Okay, first things first, you are definitely not imagining it. This change is absolutely real, it's happening to a ton of people, and there's a very specific, kind of sneaky reason for it. So let's unravel this little mystery together.
So, the first piece of the puzzle is figuring out how this could even happen. You didn't do anything, you didn't approve anything, it all comes down to a new kind of update, one that basically works like a ghost in the machine. Think about it like this. On one side, you've got the update we all know. You go to the Play Store, you hit Update, you see the release notes, you are in the driver's seat. But then, there's this other method, server-side activation. And with this one, Google's in control. The change just happens, automatically, in the background, with zero warning. Poof.
Let's really break this down. Server-side activation. The best way to picture it is like a light switch. The new design, the new code, it's often already hiding on your phone, just tucked away inside the app, dormant. Then from miles away, Google just flips a switch on their end, on their servers, and bam, that new design instantly comes to life. No download, no permission, nothing from you.
Okay, so now we know how it happened. Let's get to the fun part, what actually changed. This new look is all part of a design system called Material 3 Expressive, and it's being rolled out across your most used apps, like your phone, your messages, and contacts.
So what are you actually seeing that's different? Well, for starters, you'll probably notice bolder colors that actually pull from your phone's wallpaper. That's that Material U thing getting a serious boost. And look closer at the buttons and cards. See how they have softer, more rounded shapes? It's all designed to feel a little more modern, a little more consistent across the board. And that's the key right there. This isn't just a random change for the sake of it. Google's big goal here is to create a more unified, more personal experience. So when you jump from making a call to shooting a text, it all feels like it belongs together, like it's part of the same seamless thought.
But let's be real, if the goal is a better experience, why does it feel so jarring at first? Why is that moment of discovery so confusing? Let's actually break down the anatomy of that surprise.
It really hits you in 4 quick stages. First, the change is a total shock because you didn't do anything to trigger it. Second, you got no heads up, no release notes, no little pop-up saying, hey, things are going to look different. Third, the switch is instant. It can literally happen the second your phone connects to the internet. And finally, and this is the big one, your muscle memory is suddenly all wrong. That button you could tap with your eyes closed, yeah, it might be in a slightly different spot now.
And this quote just perfectly sums up the whole thing. The change isn't tied to an app update you control, it just appears automatically once Google flips the switch remotely. You feel surprised because an experience you thought you owned, the very look and feel of your phone, was changed for you, remotely, and without you having any say in the matter.
All of this leaves us with a much bigger question to chew on. This kind of invisible update, it's super efficient for companies, for sure. But it also fundamentally changes our relationship with our own devices. As our phones and our gadgets get better and better at changing themselves, who really has the final say on how they look, feel, and work? It's definitely something to think about.